Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to approach diabetes-friendly nutritional powders. Consult your healthcare provider before changing your diabetes nutrition or trying to recreate a commercial product. I will outline what to look for on labels, how to compare macronutrients, and why fiber matters for blood sugar control. You will learn practical tips for choosing safer options, simple swaps to consider, and when a medical nutritionist can provide personalized guidance. In this video, I will explain how to approach diabetes-friendly nutritional powders. Consult your healthcare provider before changing your diabetes nutrition or trying to recreate a commercial product. Focus on protein per serving, choose complex carbs over simple sugars, and include soluble fiber to support steady glucose. Consider plant or dairy proteins based on tolerance, and watch for sugar alcohols that may cause GI upset. Always check ingredients for interactions with your medications or allergies. In this video, I will explain how to approach diabetes-friendly nutritional powders. Consult your healthcare provider before changing your diabetes nutrition or trying to recreate a commercial product. Avoid homemade attempts to exactly replicate medical formulas because they lack testing for safety and nutrient stability. Start any new powder in small amounts, monitor glucose and digestive response, and keep emergency contact plans if blood sugar changes suddenly. Prioritize clinically tested products and professional guidance for medical nutrition needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.